Have you ever stood at a bus stop feeling completely lost because you didn't understand what people were saying?
Or maybe someone asked you a simple question on the subway, and your mind just went blank.
If that has ever happened to you, don't worry. This video is exactly for you.
Today, we're going to help you feel confident using English in public transport, buses, subways, everyday travel.
Hello everyone and welcome back.
I am Anum.
And I'm Umair. We're so happy you're here with us today.
In today's episode, we're talking about something very real, something many English learners struggle with, using English in public transport.
Yes, whether you're traveling in a new country or just practicing English in daily life, this is super important.
And don't worry, we're going to make it very simple, very natural, and easy to follow.
We'll share real-life conversations, useful phrases, and even a few funny situations.
Okay, Umair, let's imagine a situation. You're at a bus stop. You're not sure which bus to take. What do you say?
Good question. A very simple way to ask is, "Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?"
Yes, that's perfect. Very polite and very clear.
Or you can also say, "Is this the right bus for downtown?"
Nice.
And if someone replies, "No, you need bus number 12, don't panic. Just say, "Thank you."
Exactly. You don't need long sentences. Short and clear is enough.
Now, let's go inside the bus. You want to buy a ticket?
You can say, "One ticket, please."
Super simple. And if you want to ask the price, how much is the ticket?
Yes, and sometimes the driver might say, $2, or exact change only.
Oh yes, exact change can be confusing. It means you must give the exact money. No extra.
And no change back.
Yes. So always check your coins before getting on the bus.
Now let's move to the subway. This is where things can feel a little stressful.
Especially when people are walking fast and you're like, "Wait for me."
So true. Okay, imagine you're at the station and you're confused. You can ask, "Excuse me, which line goes to Central Station?"
Perfect. Or,
How do I get to the airport?
Yes, people usually respond with directions like, "Take the blue line, change at the next station, get off at the third stop."
Let's talk about that phrase, get off. It means to leave the bus or train.
Exactly. Example, "I will get off at the next stop."
And the opposite is get on, meaning to enter.
"I got on the bus at 8 a.m.
Now, let's create a small real-life conversation.
Let's do it.
Excuse me, does this train go to Park Street?
Yes, it does. But you need to change at Central Station.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Which stop is Central Station?
It's the second stop.
got it.
Thanks a lot.
See? Very simple. Very natural.
And very useful.
Alright, let's learn some important words.
First word, stop. It means a place where the bus or train pauses.
Example, "This is my stop."
Second word, route. It means the path the bus or train follows.
Example, "This bus route is very long."
Third word, fare. This means the price you pay.
Example, "The fare is cheap."
Next, transfer. It means changing from one bus or train to another.
Example, "I need to transfer to the red line."
And one more, delay. This means something is late.
Example, "The train is delayed."
Umair, have you ever missed your stop?
Oh yes, many times. Once I was listening to music, and suddenly I realized I was 5 stops away.
Oh no, that's the worst.
And then I had to come back, double time, double money.
That's why always stay a little alert.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Even if your English is not perfect, people will understand you.
Yes.
Confidence is more important than perfect grammar.
Just speak, try, practice.
All right, let's quickly review what we learned today.
We learned how to ask for directions, buy tickets, understand simple replies, use words like get on and get off.
We also learned useful vocabulary like
Stop. Route. Fare.
transfer.
Delay.
Now it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments. Have you ever used English in public transport?
Or, what situation makes you nervous?
We'd love to hear your story.
And if this video helped you,
Don't forget to like
subscribe.
and share it with a friend who is learning English.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and keep practicing.